First thing you need to decide when using a sewing machine in school is if you'd be more comfortable on a chair or a stool. You've got to comfortably have your heel on the floor and press the foot with your heel on the floor. If you sit on a stool and you are slightly smaller, you're going to find that you're press the foot with your toe, and it needs to be your heel on the floor and press the foot. The checks that you need to do, you need to check that you've got 2 threads that are running out nice and smoothly. You need to check that the machine is set on number 2 for a straight stitch and the stitch length is on a 4. When you're ready to use the sewing machine, you'll need to clamp your fabric into the machine. When you use the machine, you need to keep your fingers away from this metal plate. The plate won't hurt you. However, if your fingers are on the plate, they're going too near to the needle. So you're going to put your work into the machine and then you're going to clamp it down. The clamp is just underneath here and it's a black lever at the back. Please don't let it go. You've got to lower that carefully. And what that does, there's teeth underneath that foot and they will grip onto the fabric and pull your fabric through the machine. So you're not having to push your fabric through and you're not holding it back. So what you'll do is you'll clamp your fabric in, ready to sew. Only when you've clamped your work in the machine can you switch the machine on. We're going to sew 1 centimetre and then we're going to stop and we're going to reverse. This process stops the stitches coming undone, and it's a bit like tying a knot when we're hand sewing. So I'm going to have my hands steering with my thumb tucked out of the way. Either have your hand on your knee or on the desk, or steer the fabric from the bottom, remembering to keep your fingers away from the needle. As I squeeze my foot pedal, my balance wheel is going to go around, my take-up lever is going to go up and down, and the needle is going to go up and down. I'm going to stop after 1 centimetre, holding the reverse button down, and then I'm going to continue straight on. As I'm sewing nice and slow. And if I'm doing a hem, I need to make sure that I'm sewing on the folded line, keeping my fingers out of the way. Stopping at the end, holding the reverse button down and sewing back over just 1 centimetre. We never sew all the way back up and down. You're only reversing a small amount at the beginning and at the end. When you've got to the end of your fabric, you need to stop. You're going to then switch your machine off. You're going to lift your clamp, which is this black lever at the back of the machine. To take your fabric out of the machine, you'll need to turn the balance wheel all the way around towards you to lift the needle to the highest point, and then you should be able to just take out the fabric and leave 2 long threads ready for the next person to do their sewing.